Hi guys, today we're going to talk about preparing a flaky bumper. First thing you want to do is use some sandpaper just to take out the rough areas. Maybe starts with a 800 grit and work up to something a bit finer to smooth it out. Once you've done that, you will need to mask it up ready for painting because you don't want any overspray. With a flexible bumper, you need something like the Flexi Prime. We're using a spray can on this. It just gives you a little bit more flexibility so your paint doesn't crack. Once you've primed it, it's very thin, so you don't want to overcoat it because you can't really sand it. Michael's overcoated with the colour from the colour code in a spray can. This is his second coat he's putting over. The trick is to keep it nice and even so you don't get any runs, and just slowly build it up. A couple of really good coats and then you've got a nice finish. Then you want to finalise it with a clear coat to give it that glossy look, and that protects the metal flakes in your finish coat. And there it has, it's all finished. Thank you for your time.